What are the different types of diabetes? Type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, gestational diabetes. Less common types of diabetes include monogenic diabetes syndrome, cystic fibrosis related diabetes, drug or chemical induced diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. Autoimmune disease. Insulin producing cells in your pancreas are destroyed. Diagnosed in children and young adult. Juvenile diabetes. Need to take insulin every day. Insulin dependent diabetes. Risk factors. Having family history, parent or sibling, injury to the pancreas, infection, tumor, surgery or accident, presence of autoantibodies, physical stress, surgery or illness, exposure to illness caused by viruses. Cause of type 1 diabetes. Immune system disease. Your body attacks and destroys insulin producing cells in our pancreas. Without insulin to allow glucose to enter your cells, glucose builds up in your bloodstream. Genes may also play a role in some patients. Also, a virus may trigger the immune system attack. Symptoms of diabetes. Increased thirst, weak, tired feeling, numbness in hands or feet, slow healing sore cuts, frequent urination, dry mouth. Other symptoms in women: dry and itchy skin, frequent yeast infections, urinary tract infections. In men: decreased sex drive, erectile dysfunction, decreased muscle strength. Complications: cardiovascular issues, nerve damage, kidney damage that can lead to kidney failure, eye damage that can lead to blindness, skin infection, erectile dysfunction, depression, dementia, dental problem. Type 2 diabetes. Body does not make enough insulin. Body cells don't respond normally to insulin. It's a common type, middle-aged or older people. Risk factors. Family history, being overweight, having high blood pressure, having low HDL, being physically inactive, being age 45 or older, being a smoker, having polycystic ovary syndrome. Causes. Body cells have become resistant to insulin. Pancreas can't keep up and make enough insulin. Glucose levels rise in your bloodstream. Pre-diabetes. This type is the stage before type 2 diabetes. Blood glucose levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be officially diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Risk factor. Family history, being overweight, being over 25 years of age. Causes. Body cells become resistant to insulin. Pancreas can't make enough insulin to overcome this resistance. Glucose level rise in bloodstream. Symptoms. Develop slowly over several years, usually develop when you are an adult. Complications. Cardiovascular issues, nerve damage, depression, dementia, dental problem, skin infections, kidney damage, eye damage, erectile dysfunction. Gestational diabetes. Develop in some women during their pregnancy, usually goes away after pregnancy. However, higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes later on in life. Risk factors. Family history, overweight before pregnancy, being over 25 years of age. Causes. Hormones produced by the placenta during pregnancy makes body cells more resistant to insulin. Pancreas can't make enough insulin to overcome this resistance. Too much glucose remains in bloodstream. Symptoms. Typically will not notice symptoms. Obstetrician will test for gestational diabetes between 24 and 28 weeks of your pregnancy. Complications. Complications in mother. Preeclampsia, high blood pressure, excess protein in urine, leg or feet swelling, risk of gestational diabetes during future pregnancies, and risk of diabetes later in life. Complications in newborn. Higher than normal birth weight, low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes over time, and death shortly after birth. Monogenic diabetes syndrome. Rare inherited forms of diabetes, 4% of all cases. Example, neonatal diabetes, maturity onset diabetes. Clinical factors. Being diagnosed in the first 6 months of life, gene mutation, having diabetic family members, family history. Cystic fibrosis related diabetes. This is a form of diabetes specific to people with this disease. Affects 40 to 50% of CF adults. Risk factor. Advancing age, family history, modify a gene that affect expression of other gene. CF related liver disease, systemic corticosteroid, synthetic derivatives of natural steroid. Drug or chemical induced diabetes. Happen after organ transplant, following HIV or AIDS treatment, or associated with glucocorticoid steroid usage.